Exercise 4.3, finding fraction. Number 1. Shade in the correct fraction of each shape, then fill the gaps in the table. The first shape has been shaded for you. So first one is 2 by 5. So out of 5, this is A. So out of 5, 2 is shaded. So unshaded will be 3. Total is 5. So 3 by 5. So this one is already done. And over here we are going to do number C. I shaded 2 parts because it is shown out of 9 we need to shade 2. So I shaded 2. So how many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is unshaded. So in the unshaded chart we will write 7 by 9. 7 by 9. And number D, there they said 5 out of 8 is shaded. So I shaded this part, 5 out of 8 I shaded. Unshaded will be 1, 2, 3 and total is 8. So here 3 by 8. Number 3, we are going to do number B, 3B. 1 by 8 of 24 is equals to how much? So 1 by 8 of 24 means 1 by 8 into 24. We can write it that way. So I'll show you. Here I have done 1 by 8 of 24. I already wrote the answer, but it will be like this. The next line we will shift this box over here and then we will write is equals to 1 by 8 times 24, because of means we can write 24 times, multiply 1 by 8 multiplied by 24. So I write it over here. So I know next line will be here, or box is equals to 24 by 8, and then again box is equals to, if I divide 24 by 8 my answer is 3. So box is equals to 3. So answer of this box is 3. So I wrote it over here, answer 3. And the next number is number D. Here is number D. Box of 60 is equals to 20. So here I wrote the question, box of 60 is equals to 20. So next line will be box of, I said earlier, box of 20, box of 60 means box of box times 60. So times 60 is equals to 20. So I'll change the side of this 60. So it was multiply 60. So if I change this side and go this side, it will be divided by 20. This sign will be changed into division. So here next line, box is equals to 20 by 60. So if I do this cross multiplication, 20 ones are 20, 23s are 60. So here 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Here box, answer of this box is 1 by 3. So I wrote, we can write over here 1 by 3 answer. Next is exercise 4.4. Number 1. Shade the given fraction of each shape. Show whether the first fraction is greater than, less than, or equals to second fraction. So here we know the fraction is given. We are going to do number B. This is number B. There are 2 figures are given and fraction is given. Means 4 by 8 means 4 is shaded out of 8. Here are 8 parts and 4 is shaded. So if we shade 4 over here, the other half is unshaded, and over here half is shaded, 1 by 2. So one part is shaded. So if we can see, this is half shaded and this one is half shaded. So sign over here will be equal, so both are equal. So we will put a sign over here, equal. Number 2, fill in the boxes to make equivalent fraction. So we are going to do number C and number D. Here 6 by 8 is equals to 3 by box. So how we're gonna solve it, I'll show you. here, after copying the question, we know if we divide 6 with 2 we get 3, so we will divide 8 with 2. So if we divide 8 with 2, we know we get 4, but we need to show this. After writing this part, we will shift on this, only this, we will focus on this part. So I wrote here, I shifted this box over here and this numbers over here. So box is equals to 8 divided by 2, here box is equals to 4. So answer of this box is equals to 4. Answer is here 4, so we can write over here 4. And next is number D. Number D, here is the question. 9 by 10 is equals to box by 100. So how many times is 100? Here 10 times 10 is equals to 100. So that same number we are going to multiply with number 9, and now we are going to focus with this one. So I just in the next line we will just write this part, but we will switch because we are getting the answer of this one, we are finding out the answer of this one. So I'll switch this part on the left side and write this 9 times 10 on the right side. So here box is equals to 9 times 10. So next line will be or box is equals to 90. 9 times 10 is 90. So here my answer is 90. So we can write over here answer 90. Here answer 90. Number 3, we are going to do number C and number F. So what is the question written here? Change this improper fraction into mixed numbers. So this is improper fraction and we have to find out the answer in mixed number. So simply the question was number E, this is number, supposed to be number E, 11 by 9. So we will simply divide 11 by 9. So here 11, 9 ones are 9, here 11 minus 9 is 2. So I got 1, 2 by 9, here 1, 2 by 9 is the answer. And the next number is number F, 6 by 4, and we already know we need the answer into improper fraction. Sorry, improper fraction will change into mixed numbers. So here again 6 by 4, here if we divide 6 by 4, 6 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, so our answer is 1, 2 by 4. Here answer 1, 2 by 4. Done.